Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salve, greeting of goodness. Greeting signing environmental innovation. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good luck to all of us. Dear ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I respect the entire competition organizing Comage, as well as the audience who I am proud of. As believers, let's give thanks to the presence of Almighty God because of His blessing and mercy. We can gather in the places in good health. Dear ladies and gentlemen of the jury and the audience, on this occasion, allow me to deliver my speech entitled The Role of the Young Generation in Fighting for Green Energy for the Future of Future Generation. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are struggling with a major challenge, climate change and increasingly real environmental damage. We need a solution, and one important step is to switch to green energy. In the Directorial Journal of Economics is explained that green energy is clean energy that does not pollute or add pollutants to the atmosphere. Why green energy? Because this is energy environmental friendly, abundantly available as nature, can create new jobs, and is haven inestably in remote areas. This is what makes green energy the answer to the energy and climate crisis that we are facing. Indonesia is actually has renewable energy sources ranging from sunlight, wind to biomass. But in reality, according to a recent report from the Energy Institute to the Statistical Review World About Energy, the contribution of fossil fuels raises 18% of the global energy mix. We are still very dependent on fossil fuels such as coal and oil, which actually damage the environment. Compare that with a country like Denmark, which is now the greatest country in the world because it consistently uses wind and solar power, or Sweden, which excels in waste and sewage management. Meanwhile, we Indonesia are still struggling with various problems, regulations that are not yet optimal, poor waste management, air pollution, traffic jams, and lack of environmental education. In fact, of data show that 98% of bottled drinking water in Indonesia contains microplastic. Actually, impactful figure. Moreover, in 2023, our waste volume will reach 19.7 million tons, and all of it is not managed properly. This is not only environmental issue, but also concerns the health and future of our generation. The challenge to be independent against environmental damaging energy, as well as according policies that support that the development of renewable energy are steps that must be taken. Ladies and gentlemen, my fellow countrymen, from what I have said before, we can draw one conclusion. Green energy interfaces are a positive step in the global effort to switch to renewable energy through government policies, technology improvements, and major progress. Countries around the world are making significant progress in adopting green energy. Although change remain, the future of renewable energy offers hope for a cleaner and more sustainable endeavor. We must not be trapped in dependence on fossil fuels that damage that environment, but must dare to move forward by using environmental friendly technology. We as the younger generation have a big role. We must be agents of change, who dare to start not later but now. Because a greener future cannot be positive opinion. Small steps can bring big change, planning trace, turning off electric when I'm not in use, and using careless or walking to processing when in eco break. I myself have started this step at SMA Negeri Triwaingapu, a Sumba, and also sharing counseling with elementary school students in Yogyakarta regarding was processing into a break. Small, maybe, but if done together, the impact is extraordinary. Bung Karno once said, "Give me 10 old men, I will undoubtedly open Semeru from its roots. Give me 10 young people, I will undoubtedly shake the world." So today I say, let's shake the world with positive change. Let's prove that Indonesia youth can be pioneers of green energy and guardians of Earth's future. Both of your case, hold your and hike and stay forward with a burning spirit. It's time for to move towards a greener and smart Indonesia. Go clean, go green, go smart. The audience that is so speech that I deliver. Hopefully what I deliver a cleaner, beautiful and beneficial for all of us. Thank you for your attention and I apologize if there are my scorming in deliver of my speech. So I close this speech. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Santi 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 Om. Namo Buddhaya. Salve. Greeting of future. Shalom. Greeting of signing environmental innovation.